Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken Pro. First, you'll need to set up your account and complete the necessary identity verification steps. Once verified, familiarize yourself with the platform's intuitive interface. The dashboard provides a clear overview of market conditions and your portfolio's performance, making it easy to get started with your crypto journey. We'll cover depositing funds next. Kraken Pro offers a robust trading experience. You can place different order types, including limit, market, and stop orders, to execute your strategies precisely. Dive into the advanced charting tools to perform in-depth technical analysis, helping you make informed decisions. Keep track of your open orders and review your trade history with ease, ensuring full control over your investments. Beyond basic trading, Kraken Pro provides advanced features like margin trading and staking, allowing you to potentially grow your assets further. Security is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication to protect your account. You can also customize your trading view with various indicators and layouts, tailoring the platform to your specific analytical needs for a more personalized experience. Funding your Kraken Pro account is straightforward, with several deposit and withdrawal methods available to suit your needs. Should you encounter any questions, comprehensive customer support and extensive resources are readily accessible to guide you. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. We hope this guide helps you navigate Kraken Pro with confidence and success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.